You're going to pull your taser for what? Yes. For what? No, you don't scare me or intimidate.
So why are you asking for my ID then?
Because you're not answering me. When you're
You don't want your beautiful face on. You don't have First Amendment. I'm not First Amendment, sweetheart.
You have your right to record.
Record. I can do it right here. No?
Okay. So at this point, we're conducting an inspection
Absolutely.
on the property.
Okay.
Okay, and you're interfering with that.
Interference is a physical thing.
Okay.
This isn't physical.
Step away.
I know the law very well. Very well.
Excuse me.
What?
Step away from my truck.
I'm checking the tires.
No,
These are our tires.
No, they are not.
Yeah, they are. Are you crazy?
Step away.
Come on, man.
You're not going to kick anybody's vehicle.
I'm checking the tires.
You need to step away from the vehicle.
Or what?
The tires are fine.
Or what? I know. I can check whatever.
You get the PD?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. The PD. What is that supposed to scare me? They're gonna tell you the same thing. They ain't gonna. I've hit their tires before. What are you talking about? I checked the tires. This is what I do.
Okay, well, I'm glad for you, man. And you're right to record.
Right, I know.
Right to
If
fix city
it's listen, I can check the tires.
No, you cannot.
I can.
No, you cannot.
What are you gonna
Please remove
do?
your feet
What are you
from my
gonna do?
vehicle,
No, I
sir.
don't have to.
Okay.
It's not your vehicle. We pay for it.
Okay.
What's
well, that
wrong
doesn't
with
mean
you?
You can kick it. It's city
It's
property.
listen,
You
man.
can't
I
kick
can
it
check
all
the
the
tires
No,
as
no,
much
sir.
as I want.
No, sir, you
Yes, I
cannot.
can sit
No,
on
sir,
it.
you cannot.
You're misinformed.
He wants you to snitch on whoever truck that is.
Man, I ain't no snitch. You go figure it out yourself. I ain't no man.
He wants us to snitch on.
Yeah. Yeah, you want me to tell? Will you leave me alone if I tell you whose truck that is? Come on, man.
Ask a basic question. I'm not looking for an argument.
I'm not looking for an argument either, man. Hey, when the cops come here, I'm going to do the same thing. Yeah, see what they do.
Okay, well, that's fine.
Yeah,
But
it's our truck, bro.
Okay.
What the hell's wrong with you?
go ahead and step away from
Hey,
me. if
don't
you
tell
mind.
me what to do. You're not my boss, bro. Do you think you're my boss?
No, sir, I
Do you think because you guys work for the
I
city?
have rights in my personal space, and you keep getting.
Listen, I am not in your personal space, bro.
Okay.
You came here. I didn't come to you.
All right.
What's the matter? You don't want people to see your beautiful face? Oh, I love this. We need some mighty protection.
What?
We need some mighty protection.
For what?
I don't know.
Okay.
What's your name and badge number?
I'm Officer Bigalow. My badge number is 2185. Why are you kicking their vehicles? What are you doing?
I'm just checking the tires, man.
Why?
Why not? Is that against the law?
Well, why
It's
would-
not. It's because they're our tires. I'm just checking
They're
them.
your tires?
Yeah, we pay for them.
Okay.
Don't be misinformed. And if you want to create an argument or a problem, call your supervisor.
Okay. So, what?
There's no problem. They're writing us a citation and they're getting the hell on. You didn't answer my question, sir. What's your name and badge number?
I already told you my name and badge.
I didn't hear it. Can you tell me again?
Yeah, I'm Officer Bigalow. It's 2185.
2185. Thank you, Mr. Bigalow. Now, do you understand that I can do that to the tires?
We're having
A simple yes or no. I'm talking to them.
Go away.
That I won't do. And you can't make me. I promise you.
Stop talking. We're talking.
I promise you can't make me stop talking. I'll talk if I want. If you want to be interference.
interfering with our
I'm going to
conduct.
tell you what I told them. Interference is an obstruction. Don't put your hands on me. I promise
You
you.
better fucking stop.
You're going to pull your taser for what? For what?
away.
No, you don't
You
scare
are
me or
obstructing.
intimidate.
You're interfering
Listen.
with our discussion with him.
I dare you to shoot me.
Okay. You are interfering with our discussion.
Interference
with him right
is
now,
a
so
physical
stop.
thing. Am I being physical? Yeah, that's right. Put it back up, bitch. Yeah. What? Put it back up, bitch. You're being like a bitch, bro. You don't come here with authority and act like you can do something when we're not doing anything.
All right. What do we need to
There you go.
We're issuing him some notices.
And that's it.
Go ahead. Issue the notice.
Yeah, right, and get on. Like I said, we don't need you.
Okay.
I just need
Kick
for him to
rocks.
stay out of the way while
Ain't no problem.
Well, let's do it.
Yeah, keep me out of the way. Tell me to shut up
Okay,
again.
do you have some ID?
No.
Okay, where is your ID? Where's home? Is it that house over there?
No, it's not. It's really none of your business, man. Just write the citation and we'll
You
44
don't have any
years.
ID?
And we're making it look pretty.
What is your name?
P 108
What is your name?
46654.
What is that?
William D.
That was his driver's license number, idiot. And here's another thing, too.
William D. What?
Ask me for my name. Ask me for my name.
Kendrick. Yeah.
William Kendrick?
I said it 3 times.
Okay.
Kendrick.
Name and badge number.
Mendenhall 2054.
Thank you, ma'am. Name it.
606.
What is your name?
Buck?
Buck. Thank you.
Those words today.
What's
Yeah.
your date of birth?
11/3/50.
Hey, ask me for mine, asshole.
What is your name?
Nothing you can do. Learn the law, bro. Fucking idiot. And if I want to put my foot on the tires to test them, I can, right? Yes. Yeah, it's not against the law. Trust me, I know the law, bro. Yeah, I do. I promise you. Yeah. Do you know the law? Okay. What's the first? I would love to know this. Every officer that I encounter on my channel, I ask, just simple conversation. Do you know the First Amendment? Can you recite it? What is it?
We're not going to engage with it.
It's very important, though. It's very important. This is the divide we're trying to bridge. People just like me. I don't like this shit. But one thing about it, you're not intimidating me by telling me that you're going to call the police. Go ahead, call them. Because they're going to, what I tell you, I'll put my foot on their tire too.
So far, he has not.
He's not getting notice. He's getting legal notices today. But I just wanted his ID for the future if we do have the right notices. If he won't show up that way.
Thank you, Buck, for being quiet. Appreciate it. Don't worry, I talk to every one of you guys like this. Your sergeants, your lieutenants. You know why? Because it's an authority thing. You don't have authority over me. I'm another human just like you, right? When I'm not committing a crime? Would you like to arrest me? No. Okay, good. I've warned people before that they're going to get flooded with calls about. But I mean, you're doing okay. She's doing okay, with the exception of don't talk to the public. That was weird. You're allowed to talk to me all you want, man. And it would have been really great. Hundreds of thousands of people would have applauded you if you would have recited the First Amendment, because not many can, and you swore oath to it. I wish you wouldn't have told you not to say it, because it's important to America, right? The way it is now, huh? In this day and age, right?
Sir, you need to step back from his vehicle.
I do?
Yes.
What law is that? If you tell me the law, I'd be more than happy to. Guess what? There's no law. Supreme Court has ruled on this, and I can recite that too if you want.
When it comes to the point of your obstruction.
Obstruction is a physical thing. I wish you guys would shut the fuck up about obstruction. It's a physical thing.
You can obstruct by
You got to be physical.
No, you don't.
Okay, well, by making noise. Okay, I'll keep my voice down then. How's that? I don't think you're right on that either. Obstruct by noise, like an air horn or something, train horn. Create your own privacy in public. I love it. Great job. That's absolutely 100% the way you do it. At least you didn't tell me not to do it. You know that idiot pulled the taser out a minute ago, like he was intimidating me. I'm asking you a question. I'm having a conversation, and you're not talking.
I'm telling you to step back.
How far? Tell me how far.
Right there's good.
Thank you.
I don't know what the relationship is.
I'm his security. That's my relationship. I'm the one over here trying to fight the crime. Where were you guys when it got broke into and all our stuff got taken? Buck, if you were to hear, you'd have stopped them, wouldn't you? I think you would have. If I was here, I would have stopped them. Promise you that. You guys, this is the Tulsa Police Department. Northeast Tulsa. Strength through service.
Can pure verbal disagreement and constitutionally protected filming legitimately constitute obstruction of justice to justify the threat of physical force? Under established precedent from City of Houston v. Hill and the First Amendment, citizens possess an absolute right to verbally challenge and film police officers in the execution of their duties without facing retaliation. While the Fourth Amendment standard in Gran v. Connor strictly limits the use of force or weapon brandishing to scenarios where an immediate physical threat exists. From the perspective of law enforcement, officers argue that persistent proximity and touching municipal tires create an unpredictable safety hazard during an active investigation. Yet, from a constitutional standpoint, the auditor never committed physical obstruction under Oklahoma Statutes Title 21, rendering the taser draw an unlawful, disproportionate escalation against nonviolent protected speech.
How are you today?
What's your name and badge number?
I'm Corporal Shradd of the Greer Police Department. How are you?
I'm all right.
Okay. Is there any reason why you're videotaping? I'm just curious. You're not in any kind of trouble or something here other than we got called and told that you were walking around the parking lot. So, any particular reason for it? No, you're not going to answer? So we're just going to have a stare off because I'm recording you and you're recording me? Is that what we're going to do? Do you have your ID on you?
Have I done anything wrong?
Well, you're recording a suspicious activity, which puts this into a category of suspicious activity,
It's,
which means that
it's
Terry versus Ohio, I can detain you until I can determine or deny that there's
Terry,
criminal
Terry
activity
v. Ohio
going on.
says suspicious activity is not enough for reasonable cause for ID.
There's already a call on it, so yes.
So
it will.
suspicious activity, is that a felony or misdemeanor?
That's a misdemeanor.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
And I can't believe you just sat here and lied.
Yep. Go ahead and give me your ID.
Can you call your supervisor to the scene?
I am a supervisor.
I need another one.
Okay.
I need a lieutenant or somebody else.
Okay. Requesting a supervisor. Above me?
Actually, I'll go and do this type of thing.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm
so.
just curious.
I mean,
there's not
hey,
any criminal activity, there's nothing to worry about.
So why are you asking for my ID then?
Because you're not answering me, and when you're not answering me, how do I know you're not filming this parking lot to come shoot it up?
It's called the Fifth Amendment, right?
So I can check on that if it's suspicious. But the part of that checking is to identify you. So if I can get
It's suspicious, a felony or misdemeanor.
Hey, sir. Again,
Name, badge number?
Sergeant Forrester, 301.
All right, how you doing?
Good. How can I help you?
Well, he contacted me, wanted my ID for no reason, so I need a supervisor to let him know that, without any crime being committed, I don't have to present my ID.
Well, he actually got a call on you.
Well, what crime have I committed?
Well, anytime somebody calls in and reports suspicious activity.
Can an officer legally punish a citizen for invoking constitutional silence, or does exercising rights automatically nullify suspicious conduct? Under the landmark Supreme Court ruling in Terry v. Ohio, police must articulate specific, objective facts linking a person to a past, present, or imminent crime before demanding identification. Reinforced by Hibble v. Nevada, which affirms that non-stop and ID states like South Carolina provide zero statutory authority to compel identity without a lawful Terry stop. While Brown v. Texas strictly prohibits detaining citizens purely for refusing to identify. While officers legitimately investigate calls to secure municipal facilities, converting silent filming into manufactured suspicion violates basic constitutional jurisprudence. Grading these interactions. In Video 1, Tulsa OK, the auditor earns an A for standing firm on open public speech, while the officer receives an F for an unlawful taser threat during a civil code dispute. In Video 2, Greer vs. C, the auditor earns an A for impeccable constitutional restraint, while the lieutenant gets an F for creating a false legal standard that criminalizes the Fifth Amendment.